by Bradley.
Oregon Road.
Video. You're gonna slow down a little. Oh, this is fun. I don't even see a road.
I know, there's no road here.
Look at them over there.
Look at those guys.
Climb the school.
Oh, no, it's not coming. They parked the buses over here.
We're going the same way. Good. Thank God. Jesus. That is crazy.
We should come back this way, just for fun.
This is fun. It's like mud.
I know, off-roading. Money, you need mud.
Got four-wheel drive. You know what I mean? Only if you could drive. There's a snowstorm.
I know. Just tell my friend. If school is out tomorrow and I can drive, I can go money today. Well, not money. Well, off-roading. I'd find a place.
This is like half off-roading on the road. Is that a car up there?
I saw one car.
There's a car up there.
Hey, look, they probably touched the... I don't know what those are.
Catching up. I think that's bad when you're going faster than...
Yeah. Well, you got a big one that you can use.
This is sick.
Is that a loader?
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh. That's a crappy loader.
Oh God, that was close. This is fun.
I know, look at it.
This should happen more often.
I know it should. This is why I love snow.
Hey.
Those people are like, oh, we should have done a trip.
Yeah, they probably saw a hat.
All this for roads.
Alright, everybody else is going out the cloud and everything.
I wondered if... Oh God.
We're going for it.
I wonder, is the parking lot even plowed?
What's that car stuck?
What car? Oh, dang, look how big the piles of snow are. Yeah, he's probably stuck. Yeah, he is stuck. Are you sure you can even get in there? Look at it. You may not be getting out.
We're not going there, we're going to Walgreens.
Oh, yeah. But gas.
We ain't getting gas today. But show Mom in video, she'll be like, yeah. Are you still videotaping?
Yep.
Yeah, show Mom the entire video.
So far it's at 340. Jimmy, need any money from the bank?
Yeah, let's drive in there. That car is stuck.
Push him up.
Yep.
Oh, is Walgreens plowed? I think it is. Maybe.
Go around it, plow man, go around it.
Nope. I don't even getting to Walgreens, Jimmy.
Well, we can't turn around. So we have to go to Walgreens. Well, at least you have to go that way.
So if CVS isn't even...
Yes, but let's go to CVS. Right
no, I'm saying, if CVS isn't
they don't
plowed,
have CVS, we would have gotten at CVS.
I know what I'm saying, if that's not
Walgreens
plowed,
isn't plowed, yeah.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Should we see if he wants to be pushed out? See if he wants us to kind of...
He probably has somebody going getting him.
Want to ask? He's screwed.
I don't have any straps or anything, and I don't think pushing is... I'm probably not going to do much pushing. Much help pushing.
Push bar.
Oh man, come on. Come on, it's a green light. Can you move? Close your door. Yes, sorry. Can't get around.
They're trying to go around you? Crap. Not the best place to get stuck, Jimmy.
I'm not gonna get stuck.
You know that's red.
Yeah.
Did it get
Coming the other way.
I know. But it's either get stuck or run a red light. I'd rather run a red light.
I love how they're beaming at you, but I can't get around. The guy had his door open.
I know.
That's why people have quads.
I wish our quad.
I want a snowmobile.
I wish. Oh, probably his friend or something had a snowmobile.
Our quad doesn't last the snowmobiles. I guess we're going down Vine Street and you're walking through that snow. Oh, we ain't going down Vine Street. We'll go this way.
So that's at the red box.
See?
See, I just walked right through there. Marshall McDonald's. It's closed. Hey, they're actually plowed. Wow, surprise. Yeah.
McDonald's. Wait, is it really closed though?
Yeah, it closed at 12.
Is this plowed?
The guy's plowing it now.
Okay, well I'm gonna turn on this street. Hopefully it's plowed. This is where Simmons is. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna drop you off. You go to the red box. I'll go to McDonald's and park there. Okay? Then when you need to be picked up, I'll get you.
Okay. Are you gonna park right? Are you gonna be right behind the ambulance?
What? There's an ambulance at McDonald's?
No, on the street. Oh, you're turning around.
Yeah. Good thing I have four-wheel drive, or else we wouldn't be getting out here.
I know, we wouldn't even got this unstuck.
Even with Mommy's car. You saw the other guy with his car that had four-wheel drive.
I know.
Moving. Thank God for big trucks. Yeah.
It's running 7 minutes.
Okay. I'm gonna drop you off. Go around the guy, I guess. Ah, it's deep snow.
Just keep on, keep on.
Where am I gonna drop you off?
Just kind of pull over the sign so we can jump out.
Over here?
Not right here.
You're like
Whoever. Right here, right here.
Here? Oh, 'cause